Traders, I want to show you some alerts that we are getting. If you're looking for trade signals, this video could change your life. I'm serious. Dollar yen, 15-minute time frame. I set these up yesterday. Based on that, this is the daily. This was the first alert that fired. Have a look at how effective these are. Let's just mark up a couple. Well, we had that one yesterday, and we'll go down to the 15-minute and look at how we get involved. It's a very simple strategy. No technical, technical analysis is very limited. Seriously, the only technical analysis I applied to this was this. I'll show you. When this alert goes off, look left and see here, this is a big liquidity pool, big time. Okay, so when that fires and we are trading into external, an external liquidity, this is external liquidity. Okay, there's external liquidity up in here. This is the internal range here. This is the external range liquidity. I'll try to keep this simple. Just look left and notice that. That's it. Then we look for the opportunity on the lower time frame, but we can set the alert for that. We have another alert here and here, this one as well. We really take notice of these because these are going off on the daily time frame. And generally, when these alerts fire on the daily time frame, I mean, you can see they're fairly significant. I did have a look at this one. It gave me a 2R target. This is a daily, don't forget. Look at that. And I mean, look at this one. So what I'm going to do is show you what this alert here is about on the 15-minute time frame under here. And we'll have a look at that one as well. Show you how easy this is to, end up with a significant payday from an outcome like that. All right, we'll have a look at these. 15M. This one was, we can go back and have this one. Worst case scenario, you get a little bit of a move here. So let's just have a look at that as well. Right, so I'll show you these 3 points of interest, and then we'll come down, we'll have a look at, there's a WTI down here, we'll have a look at that as well, right? So yeah, these go off on the daily and the weekly as well. All right, the first one is we're going to come in and have a look at this. This is the 2nd of Jan, and then this one's the 9th of Jan. So let's check those two out. 15M, go to down here. Okay, 2nd of January, go to the 2nd of January. Right, this is our point of interest on the daily time frame. This vertical line that you see here. So we're looking for the first signal that happens after that vertical line, and the signal we're looking for, trend bars, okay, the alert that fires from the trend bar indicator, off, on, is this. We just take that trade, short position right there, stop above the previous high. Well, that gave us, and this was the worst case. This was a much of a non-event really. If we have a look back on the daily time frame, this was that little run from here to here. All right, so the next one was on the 9th. I'll open that up. Next one was on the 9th, and that was fairly significant. How do we get involved with that? Go to, all right, there's our point of interest. Well, the point of interest actually, we're looking for an opportunity directly after. This is the point of interest on the daily time frame. Look, the other thing that we're really looking for is, see this green zone? We want to know that the green zone is exhausting itself. So this was a bullish trend. We can see all these green zones previously. Now we're at the high of the green. We don't buy at the high of the green zone, by the way. We buy at the beginning. But we're looking for this counter trend short. And the signal that kicks in is right here. Short position, right there. On the pullback, if you like. Stop above. Well, there's 2.6. There's 3.7R, 3.6R. Stay with it. All right. And then this is a stop run. And that's another video. But, where you see equal highs and a move like I've talked about this. We would have taken this trade, but where you get a fake out, a shake out, and displacement. I've talked about this in every video. We sell there, but that's, well, I even back up in here. And when this red zone kicks in after the green zone, I've done another video actually on taking the first sell signals after a green zone. So this whole area is, part of our strategy. Now we're looking for these sell zones coming out of a green zone. That was a previous video, as I just mentioned. I covered that. So, this is the perfect environment or the perfect time to look for these setups. We sell here. Red zone kicks in and, we're off to the races. Watch out for the stop runs. A bit of a pullback there. Now, any pullback, again, I talked about this in my mentorship videos, when you see the retrace, short position again. Guys, I cover this in my daily mentorship videos. I'm going over our strategy constantly. So, yeah, don't miss those. All right, so we know that this was a pretty big payday. We go down, we can see. But, more importantly, let's come back to our current. Yeah, that was a big one, that one. So that continued all the way down 30R. Look at that, 30R. Nice, but you can continue to build your position short with this. Okay, so this was the alert that fired yesterday. So let's have a look and see how we got involved with that. Current day reset chart. All right. Again, what we're looking for is the red zone to exhaust itself. This is our point of interest here with the eyeball on the daily time frame. So what we're looking for then is the first square signal there. And then you got a buy signal here as well. Having trouble with these. Hang on. Oh, they're going backwards for some reason. The arrows are going the wrong way, guys. Yeah, but yeah, we got these signals here. We take notice and we buy. Long position. There it is, off the square and the buy signal here. But that's your entry point. Stop around the low here. Nice outcome. 3.3R yesterday and the rest. What's that? Yeah, right up in here. So if you managed it well, there's a 5R outcome just from that signal from yesterday. That's our point of interest. Can have a look at a couple of others. Guys, look, you can gain access to this. I'm doing daily mentorship videos on our strategies. We're building our accounts. All our members are happy. I'm doing some tests back in here with the strategies. We can have a quick look at some recent results from last week. These are all winning trades, guys. That was a fat finger fumble that I cancelled immediately, but you can see that these worked out. Every one of these was off our signals. Jump on board and join us on this journey. Go to the website. It's anthonybourne.com. You can see that website address at the bottom of the video here. Okay, let's have a quick look at WTI 15 minute. What was that all about? Oh yeah, 4.8, maybe a 5R. What was that? Let's have a look. This was another daily time frame. Yeah, okay. Again, look at this. See this signal here? This signal down here fires. We look left. Look what we're trading down into. This is external range liquidity. Look at this one and this one. Okay, that was short-lived. We can have a look and see what happened there. But honestly, look, you may have achieved a 2R outcome with that, but, seriously, guys, this is a daily time frame. Anyway, let's have a look at these three and what do they look like. So we've got a sell here. We've got a sell at this point. So they're our points of interest, and then we'll come back to this yesterday's alert and see what that gave us. First up, let's go to the, 8th of Jan, and then we've got the 17th of Jan. So 8th and 17th of Jan. 15 minute, 8th of Jan. Go to number 8. All right. This is the strategy. And again, I've done the videos on this, guys, but I'll be continuing to do more. See, this is the point of interest on the daily time frame. All right. Set the alert on the trend bars. 3 dots, add alert. Okay, we want a sell, bar color change will do. That's it. Once per bar, create. That's done. All right. As soon as this alert fires, short position, look, there's the first alert right there. That's it. Sell. Stop above the high. And, I mean, where did that take us? 3.87. Yeah, 3.8, depending on, how you managed it. That's nice. But again, like depending on what you see on the higher time frame, if this is possibly giving us a reversal, we can look at it on the 4 hour, the 1 hour. This was the first trade that really didn't give us much, and it ended up giving us nearly 4R. Yeah, that's this first one we're looking at here. Okay, where you can see there's hardly anything in it when you look at it from the daily time frame, but that was a 4R trade potentially. All right, 17th, and then we'll come back to our current day. Guys, gain access. Go to my website, Anthony Bourne. The link is below. All right, we're going to the 17th. Take it for a 2-week free trial. Try it out for yourself. So that's our point of interest on the daily. So what we're looking for here, and this is the strategy that I was talking about, is the first sell signal after a green zone. And the green zone has exhausted itself. So you go back, you'll see this has been green for quite a while. Okay, so the green zone now, you don't take these, by the way, these buy signals at the high here. You take them at the beginning of the green zone. So just, make sure you understand that. In any case, we're looking for the sell after this point, and the first sell signal kicks in right there. Short, there's a sell signal, there's the little squares from the trend bars indicator. They're all firing right at this point here. Stop above. Well, there's a 4R. And guys, look, seriously, you know what happened after that, right? That was just a ridiculous, it went on and on and on. I don't know, 30, 40, 50R, something like that. And, you continue to get involved when these red zones kick in and these more sell signals are firing. Look at them. Sell, sell, sell. All right, so that's a pretty amazing opportunity. Okay, the last one is this current signal. So we'll go to the 15M. Reset. All right, current day. So we're looking for a buy. See, again, this is the strategy. It's traded into a key level. That's our point of interest. And we're looking for the first. All right, here it is right here. You see that? There. That's your first signal. All right, if you're a little bit nervous, wait for the break of structure if you want to. But, that's where we get involved. So how do we set these opportunities up? It's very simple, guys. I'll show you that very quickly. We go out of here. What do you want to trade? All right, let's pick the NAS 100. We can set the alert up on everything if you like. And we want these alerts on the daily and the weekly because they're going to be pretty significant. We'll just open up the daily. Look at this one. Honestly, look at these opportunities. Try it out for 2 weeks completely free and you get to test all this out. My mentorship videos are going in daily, guys. It's a great opportunity to make a difference, honestly. So what we do is we start off with this indicator down the bottom, high-low 3, and we just add the alert. Any alert. Notifications if you want. Droplet, okay. Create. Whenever this goes off, you'll be notified in here on the daily time frame, and then we just wait for this setup. More importantly, look left. See this? Look at that. See, that's external range liquidity there. There's a few things going on. We've got this alert as well, the dot. They're pretty significant on the daily time frame. Look, there's the dot. There's our alert. Sometimes it's only a little pullback. I mean, that's still pretty significant on the daily. There's nothing wrong with that. But, a lot of the times you're going to get a decent move out of this, guys. Especially when you're trading into something like that. This kind of resistance here. Yeah, so we set these up on the daily and weekly. When they go off, we come in and then we look at this and go, okay, go down to the 15-minute. We could mark that up. I'm doing tutorials on this, so Yeah, you're going to see this red zone all through here. And we don't get involved with it until, see these lines, until these start to cross over. But, you know, that's something we cover in the videos during the week. So gain access. Here's the website. Click on free trial. If you want the indicators, click on gold or go down here and click anywhere down here. This will give you access to the gold landing page. You're going to have to go down and click join here. Click that. That'll take you over to WAP, and you've got the option of going through PayPal or Stripe. Okay, both of those have secure payment systems. This is just my the program that manages my clients and onboarding, but yeah, the payments are done through Stripe and PayPal. Okay, very reputable payment gateways. Let me just show you this. Click Get Access. Scroll down and you can have a look. There's other options and some couple of bit of feedback. But you've got to come back to this page to gain access. On the left-hand side, you'll see connect your Telegram there. TradingView indicators there. Click that, right? So this is where you connect and gain instant access. Okay, guys, with that, we're going to have another great week next week. I'm pretty excited about that. VIP had a really nice week last week as well. Okay, we're making money. Join us on this journey. With that, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.